In this episode, a new class of programmable metamaterials is transforming how cities manage sound and privacy. These ultra-thin structures bend waves instead of blocking them, letting designers tune echoes, reduce noise, or create intimate zones. Real-time presets powered by tiny sensors adjust room acoustics as crowds shift, delivering comfortable sound without bulky equipment. The potential spans concert halls to open offices, enabling conversations to stay clear while energy stays calm and efficient. As with any new tool, thoughtful standards will guide safety, privacy, and accessibility, while imagination drives transformative spaces.